Okay, and we're live. Let's go. So we're going to jump back into circuits. Welcome to the show. Gonna be doing some circuit engineering. For this one, we're going to be using the mesh current method. Okay, and then we have a few questions. So we're going to solve some parameters regarding the circuit. Perhaps it'll be current, perhaps it'll be voltage, perhaps it'll be a power calculation, amongst these various parameters, we're going to solve for one of them. I wonder if my mic is picking up the sound of the music in my headphones. The reason I don't have music playing for you guys is because I don't want to get a copyright on the video. It happens often. Alright, these are all given, right? Okay. So we have to have something in order to solve. We're going to need as many equations as we have unknown variables. Alright. So we're going to use the mesh current analysis. That's what I like to call it, mesh current method, whatever. Running clockwise, right? We'll call this current 1. Again, we're going to go clockwise. Well, let me think about... No, not really. That's fine. Okay, this is I2 clockwise. I3. Okay. Alright, so using KVL. Alright, KVL. No. 120. I like to, my convention is that I go negative to positive is a positive supply, right? So that's my convention. I don't know. It's like, I think never mind. Maybe, okay, yeah. That's my convention. All right. And then so now when we go through any resistor, right, we're going to have a negative power, well, right. So in one case, it's a supply of voltage, right? It's the KVL, it's a supply of voltage, right? Going around the loop. A resistor will only ever have a voltage drop across it, with respect to the various mesh currents, with respect to the mesh current, right? That's what I'm trying to say. So, always a negative voltage drop, So if we're looking at it from the reference of I1, from the perspective of I1, this is going to look like positive, negative, right, voltage for this resistor, whatever. I'm just gonna do that. V voltage drop, positive, negative voltage drop. As we establish here, convention, negative, positive, that's the direction we're flowing. That's a voltage addition. It's a positive voltage addition minus this, 500 I1. Okay. Minus, now we have a voltage here going around the mesh. Negative to positive, that'd be a supply. And that supply equals 500 I don't have that wrote down. Yeah. And that's right here. Going in what direction? Phi. Right. Right. Okay. And we're right here, so that's 500 I phi. That's going to be a positive. Or I delta, my bad, I delta. Minus 4,000 I1 minus I phi. Wait, yeah, no, I2. Equals 0. We're back to the start. 120 minus 500 I1 plus 500 I delta minus 4,000, 4 kilo ohm, 4,000 multiplied by I1. Yeah, because we're from the I1 perspective, positive, negative, right? Minus I2, going in the opposite direction from negative to positive, equals 0. Right, when that comes out from distribution, that'll be a positive number indeed. Alright. Alright, so we have that. We can simplify this. I1, I2, I1 minus I2. Let's just get them wrote down. Okay. We saw it, positive, negative. That'd be a drop. So, negative 500 I delta minus 625 I2 minus 1,000 I2 minus I3. I delta is just that element voltage or element current, but not the mesh current, right? We're solving for the mesh current I2. Now we consider that is at the end of it 4,000 minus 4,000 multiplied by I2 minus I1. Yeah, that was the loop. Starting with that, yeah. All right, this last one, I3 just equals 3 I phi. Okay, so can you see that? Yeah, I3 equals, and it's all in the same direction, so it'd be positive, right? Just I3 equals 3 I phi. Okay, 3 I phi. What is that? Okay, 3 I phi. Let's see. I phi is I1 minus I2, essentially, yeah. I1 minus I2, is that true? Yeah. I phi equals well, depends on where you're looking from, right? So, well, we could just solve for, but do I3 equals 3 I phi. I1 minus I2, indeed would be phi. I2 minus I1. What else would be I? Phi? I phi? Nah, phi? I don't know. Shit, phi. I don't know. Suggestions? Anybody? As far as where I should just plug I3 in, and then I have 3 I phi for I3, which is where right here I have 1. That's it, literally just 1. I got that, and then I have 2 equations and 2 unknowns. No, because I'm going to introduce this unknown I phi. But like I phi, depending on where you're looking from, would equal that right there. So I phi equals I1 minus I2. I phi I1. I phi I2 equals I2 minus I1. Wait, I phi, no, it'd be the same, but it would be, from the perspective. So like in this equation, I phi, does that get rid of everything? 3 I phi, right, 3 I phi, phi, I phi, something like that. What's I delta? I delta is, we might know that. Okay, let me try to convert everything to, but it'd be 3 phi minus I2. Okay. We also know that so I delta equals minus I2, I3 minus I2, I2 minus I3. In this equation, it would be I2 minus I3. Yeah. And that would be I delta. I delta equals I2 minus I3. Okay. So I can plug those in, plug that in. I have an I1, I have an I2. Do those cancel? No. Wait, not at all, no. Never mind. That would be gone. Fuck. Let me just see. Let me write it down. That's the only one I can't get rid of right now. Plus, yeah, 500. I phi minus 4,000. I phi. Right. 0. Then 500 minus 625. 2. Yeah. Minus 1,000. I2, I delta. Minus 4,000. I phi. Minus, is it? But it's still I phi. From that perspective, it would be I2 minus I1 would equal I phi. In that perspective, wouldn't it be, yeah, when you, that information's not really carried though. But why? Surely you could still do that though. Dino's here. Oh yeah. I'm a little unsure about this one, Dino. I still have I1 and I2, but I've converted everything. How's it looking? It's it's looking okay. I'm just still trying to cut a path into the solution, you know what I mean? Like try to solve it. I don't know, like my most optimal path as far as whether I should convert these variables into I delta, I phi. You know, so thinking about that. Did I? Oh yeah, I lost I3 then. I don't like it. I don't think so. Maybe that's what I should be doing. Yeah, so wait, let me try something else. So 120 minus. And I delta would equal I2 minus I3. I delta would equal I2 minus I3. Well, how do we know that for sure? I2 equals... Well, in this equation, no, this is the first... Wait. This is the first equation. So we're looking at 4 I phi. Wait, 120 minus 500 I delta, true, minus 4,000. Yeah, okay. I delta I2 minus I3. Okay. So 500 I2 minus I3 minus 400 I1 minus I2, or 4,000. Alright, my next equation, negative 500 I delta again. Yeah, okay. True. The other reason I believe that the I2 should be positive here as an I2 minus I3 as opposed to I3 minus I2 is because I2 is also in the direction that it was given to me that I delta is traveling. So same direction, that would be a positive. Anything opposing that direction would be a negative, such as in the case of the I3. Although, oh yeah, my arrow points this way. That's a little confusing. There. Okay, so minus or negative 500 I2 minus I3. Minus 625 I2 minus 1000 I2 minus I3 minus 4000 I2 minus I1. Okay. Wait, that was this one. Where's the supply? Oh yeah, sure, yeah. Dependent. Okay. How's that writing? It's not horrible, is it? Is it readable? Is that too bright? Not really. It's actually better. The brightness is better. Maybe I should use a black pen. I have one too. I have a black pen. Maybe that's too much though. Yeah. Okay. There, like that. So, alright, 120 minus 500 I1. Where's another I1? Minus 4,000 I1. 500. Negative 500 I1 minus 4,000 I1 minus 4,500 I1. That was it, right? Yeah. Plus 500 I2. Wait, is there another I2? There is. Minus 4,000. That's going to be a positive I2. 4,000 I2, 500 I2, 4,500 I2. Negative 500 minus 500 I3 minus, and that's it. That was covered. Equals 0. I3 equals 3 I I phi equals, okay, so this is gonna look like 4,500 I1 plus 4,500 I2 minus, wait, 1500 3 I phi 100 I phi equals. And what we're thinking of from this equation, well, I phi actually is I1 minus I2, yeah. So I1 minus I2. So 4,500 minus 15 I1 negative minus 1,500 3,000 plus 4,500 plus 1,500 OA equals, did I move those? Oh, wait, I made that a positive. That should be a negative. And that should be, oh, I could have, nah, probably not. 120. Yeah, 120. So 3,000, right? Because we're going to move. Well, whatever. Regardless, we combine them. Negative, negative. Oh, yeah, but that was that. Yeah, that's where we are here, 1,500. No, it is positive. Wait, no, negative. Wait, I didn't add them though. Yeah, negative. Right here. Yeah, the 3, the carried. Oh, yeah, okay. Did I forget to carry the negative here? I think so, though. That's what I did. That is important. Yeah, it did. Negative 15, because it's just 3. Yeah. Negative, so that would be negative. It'd be the same, 6,000. Yeah, okay. Something like that. Let's try it. Equals 120. Alright. Wait, that's not a... Wait, though. Negative, so that would be a positive. Positive minus, yeah. Yeah, I'll just rewrite it. That's looking like garbage. Yeah, like that. Okay, in our second equation, we have an I3 right here. So it's going to be, I'm going to do it over here though. I2 minus plus 1,500 for I3, 100 I phi. No, I phi, which is, oh yeah, I phi, which is I1 minus I2. Oh, I'm not enough firm for it. Can you see that? Yeah. Is it too bright? Is it okay? Maybe I decrease the exposure. Something like that. Let's try it. Well, Looks perfect, really? Oh, well, geez, I guess I won't mess with it. But there, is that a bit better? Just a little less bright. Alright, I won't mess with it. That's alright. I like that. Okay. No, where we at? We're on our second equation in our system of equations right here. Negative 500 I2 plus 1500 I1 minus I2. And what was the rest of it? 625. Oh man, that's a... I don't have enough room for all that. I'm gonna have to write it on here. Oops. Equals 0. Barely. Barely. Alright. Let's simplify this. Starting with I2, negative. Let's just do a calculator. Negative, right? Positive plus 1500. Yeah, whatever, yeah. I2 minus, whoops. Minus 1000. Minus, really? 3000. Minus 4000. Oh. Yeah. Really? Okay. 1500 plus 3000 plus 4000. That's meant to be I1. Oops. So my matrix is 6,000, negative 6,000, 8,500, negative 10, 6, 2, 5. Like that. 2 by 2 matrix, pretty simple. I1, I2 equals 120, 0. So like that, right? Can you see that well? And change of music, I'm not really feeling this. Okay, that's a little better. Nice. Nice. Alright. Oh man, I really fudged him up. Yeah, no, because I don't want to get copyright. Dino, what should I do? I don't know. Should I just say whatever and play music and like, it's not like I'm making money from the videos anyways, so what's the purpose of a copyright and a demonetization? Like, right? Should I just play the music? Is it better? Let me know. Give me an answer. Alright, let's rewrite this equation because that looks like absolute dog doo-doo. Is the angle okay too? This is how I write. I write at like a bit of an angle like this. I mean, it's straight with the paper, but like I turn the paper, you know what I mean? Should I turn the music on and forget about the copyright? Play it really quiet. It'll catch it. It'll catch it. It'll mess with it. Whatever though. Turn it up. Let me know. I mean, if we're gonna play, we might as well play it, right? How's the ratio of voice to music? Like, let me know if I need to change anything. Alright. Let's rewrite this. Anytime that I rap, if I say it, I mean it. I'm just facing my demons, just modern day heathens. I don't care who's speaking. If you can't speak nice, don't speak at all. I don't care if you the law, I will bust your jaw. I'ma be the bully's bully till the wheels fall off. But I ain't fighting over bitches when it's I2. No. That is I2. Okay, I'm really messing up right now. Man, 6,000 I2. Yeah, and I2 equals this. Okay, yep. equals 120. Okay. Well, that'd be actually shit. Be a negative. 85,000 divided by 1065. 25 times 6,000 minus 4,800. I want. I'm sorry. So 6,000, 1,200. I1 equals 10 amps. Oh shit, 10 amps. And that's real. That's just how I feel. All up on the mic and I'm about to leave a kill. Okay. I can't give a fuck, never put one in my will. Like wait. 100 milliamps. 100 milliamps. Let me make sure. 120 divided by 1200. Gosh, 0.1. Yeah, 100 milliamps. All right, shit. All right. Okay, so we found I1, right? To determine which sources are generating power. Which sources are generating power? Okay. Let's find the rest of the currents. Yeah, I1. Okay, I1 equals 100 milliamps. I2 equals this. So. And that ratio was 0.8, right? Yeah. 8,500 divided by 10,625 is 0.8. So I2 equals 0.8 I1. And it's positive. I2 equals 0.8 times 100 e to the negative 3. 0.08 amps. 80 milliamps. Really? Yeah, that's it. Alright. That's it. I2, I3 is 3 I phi. I3 equals 3 I phi, which equals 3 times I1 minus I2. 2 equals I1 100 minus 80, 20 milliamps. 20 milliamps. 20 milliamps multiplied by 3 equals 60 milliamps. I3. Okay, I found all the mesh currents. So now we know what that is, and it's positive, so it's in the right direction. So that's a power source. But it says, but it should be, wait a second. Something about it I ain't really liking, but whew, let's see. I1 minus I2. I1 100. I2. Is there supposed to be a negative here? Minus 6,000 times 0.8. It would be less. Did I mess one of that up? I2 is the negative. That is that when it's on the same side as 120. Or no, there is no constant. 0. So I2 negative.
This cannon, homie, this ain't no one-off. Homie brought the iron in the club so we could play golf. Holding one, now we done like a layoff. Keep the mask on and get judged like it's face off. I hit the draw, eyes low, I'm a baritone. It got the room spinning, feeling like the Ferris song. Mirror, mirror, please tell me who the fairest one. She say fuck them all, cause your flow is the rarest one. Yeah, so let me introduce mine. Baby, I'm the shit, nickname Kaka. Make your shawty disappear like Tata. Drop her back at your door, she a trick. Voila, I'm a beast, you a fly. You ain't topping this guy. Burj Khalifa, Dubai. Catch me chilling in the sky. I ain't even made it yet. Guarantee I'm top 5. Just remember the name, alumni. Hold up, I'm feeling like a miracle. Spirits whisper in my ear, I can hear them all. They don't really wanna talk, so don't get involved. Got 10 killers on the line, I can list them all.
Whoa, shit. I don't know. I think I should have one of these should be negative. It says yeah. It says the 2 voltage sources. Wait a second. 3. That's where the negative comes from. Is because I-phi is going this way, which would be I1 minus I3. I1 minus I3. It would be positive. Shit. No. Oh no. Shit. Why? I was flowing. I was in like a flow state. That can't be right though. I don't believe so. Three times I1 minus I2. 1 minus I2, yeah. I3. I3. Wait, I3 though. I3 equals 3 I-phi indeed. I3 also equals. Wait, no. I delta. Tours, ain't no settling down. See my passport, love my fans, got mass support. She so fine, her ass in court. What you think I'm smashing for? And I will not slow it down. Smoke my weed and roll around. Living like a night, bitch, I'm not sober now. My liver clean, my piss dirty though. Trying to make $1 million for I'm 30 though. My piss dirty though. But I'm young as fuck, so I ain't really worried though. My liver clean. Yeah, that one. Minus 4,000. Minus 4,000. I2 minus I1. Shit, I gotta start over. Oh, I can't. Let's just do it over. Oh. Alright, yeah, I like it. Alright. What is there like a better direction we could flow? Not really. I like this. Pretty much the same thing, man. $120 minus 500. Shit, I won. Plus, negative to positive. 500. Now what's I delta? I delta is I2 minus I3. Okay, yeah, let's just jump into it and then minus. Alright, well, just 4K. I1 minus I2. Okay. So 120 minus, okay. What's another 4,000? I1 500 minus. There's no negatives. Minus 4, of course. Wait, plus 4,000 I2. What is wrong with me? 4,000 I2, 500. Minus, and that's only I3. Minus 500 I3. Okay. Um. Um. Well, we can define I phi as I1 minus I2. Is that not true? I phi I1 minus I2. I would think so. Maybe. Man, this song sucks. Let's do something different. Alright. Okay. Alright. Bye. Alright. Not really sure where the mistake is coming from, but regardless, we'll figure it out. 120 minus, yep, we did that, and we got to this point where we're analyzing I3, and what is I3 really equal to? I3 definitely is equal to 3 I phi. I3, I mean, that's just what it is, yep, and then I phi is defined as I1 minus I2. That works for me. 120 minus 4,500 I1 plus 4,500 I2 minus 1,500 minus 1,500 I1 plus 1,500 I2. Alright, negative 4,500 I1, 5,500, 500, 6,000. That's what I had, 6,000. I1 plus 45. Oh, wait, 6,000. I2. 120. Let's do that for now. Okay. Equals 0. 6,000, 6,000, yeah. Now my second equation. Yeah. We'll start with 4K. So negative 4 I2 minus I1. I see my problem, I think, yeah. I phi would equal I1 minus I2 only. Did I figure that out? I don't know. But I'd have to make this negative. Yeah, if I wanted to do that, we'll see. Unnecessary though. Well, that was what I just did. Wait, I phi? No, 4K divided by I2 minus I1, yeah. Positive, negative, minus 500 I phi, which is I delta, which I delta is, can you see that? Yeah. I delta equals I2 minus I3. And we know what I3 equals. What should we simplify that further? I2 minus 3 I phi, right? I phi. No, yeah, no, 3 I3. 3 I phi, yeah. Minus 3 I phi, yeah. Which I2 minus 3 times I1 minus I2. I2 plus 3 I3, 4 I2, right? Plus minus 3 I1. That look like a 4? I'm sure. Alright, but that's the theory. Alright, okay. Alright, so now I have something for I delta, and that's what we're about to do now. So I delta is 4 I2 minus 3 I1. Right. Okay. I delta. Yeah, that's I2. Wait, I delta. That was for that 500. I delta is. Wait, why'd I do this? I2 minus I3. I2 minus 3 I phi. I2 minus 3. I1 minus I2. 4. Whoa. Okay. Wow, I delta really equals that then. That's crazy. Okay, wait, so 4 I2 minus 3 I1. Did I have an I delta here? No, I didn't. It's only now here. Wait, 500 I delta. I do too. 500 I1. No, plus 500. Plus 500 I delta. Yeah, it's a little different, I guess. Wait, I delta. But I delta equals this. So what am I missing? Does I delta equal that? Does. How does it not just equal that? Why would it equal this? Because what is 3i3? Yeah, that was the conversion. I still have I3 in this equation. That's my problem. So I went through the whole process then. Okay. 3i phi. Distributed that in. Okay. Now it's all starting to make sense. Okay. Alright, this, where are we at? Minus 625 I2 minus 1000 I2 minus I3. Dang, another I3, huh? Yo, what's up?
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm just working on homework right now.
Alumni, CLOUD. Look, I'm feeling great like Gatsby, till the Reaper come catch me. I'm feeling great like Gatsby, life moving fast, I don't wanna let it pass me. I'm feeling great like Gatsby, I can only hope that this love's everlasting. So before it comes crashing, I need my advance in advance. Got me wrestling with Goro, all these hands in my plans. One word of advice to the stands in the stands. It can happen overnight and they will take advantage.
Alright, let's get back into it. Enough dilly-dallying. Alright, maybe for, Alright, this is a lot, and this is gonna be 1,000. Wait, that's gonna come. No, it's not quite. I2 minus I3. I3 is 3. I phi. Wait, I already did this somewhere, didn't I? Oh, yeah, maybe earlier, right here. I want my sound, not quite. Wait, I could also. Oh, it's the same thing.
come cashing. Just sell me your passion. Yeah. I'm feeling
Shit, bro. I'm itchy. The bugs got me.
come catch me. I'm feeling great
Damn it.
like
Okay.
Gatsby.
I'm good.
I don't wanna let it pass me. I'm feeling great like Gatsby. I can only hope
Alright.
that this love's everlasting. So before it comes crashing. I'm the real deal, no placebo. I take one smile, walk around like Debo. The money gon' get you stitched up like Lilo.
But that's and then 3I3 or I fee is 3, I fee is I1 minus I2. So I2 minus 3I2 is negative 2I2 1000 negative 1000 times 2I2 right I2 1 minus negative 3 minus negative 2I2 minus 3I1. Really? That's I fee, yeah. I fee, I1 minus I2, yeah. Yeah. Negative, because it was a negative. Well, I got a negative 1,000 here. Wait, what the wait, what? I2 minus 3I. I'm feeling great like Gatsby, life moving fast, I don't wanna let it pass me. I'm feeling great like Gatsby, I can only hope that this love's everlasting. I2 minus 3, that'd be positive. I2 before I2, minus 3I1, and that's what I got earlier, yeah. For I delta, what? Because of the I2 minus I3. So I just did here. It's because of the I2 minus I3 expression. Yeah, because then I did that out by itself. Which works. Yeah. Oh man, I don't know how this is. Okay, so negative 4 I2 plus 4 I1 minus 500. Oh wait, 500 times 4, 2,000. I2 plus 1,500 I1 positive, yeah, minus 625 I2 minus 1,000 times I2 minus 3I. Shit. 3, 1, 4. 4 I2 minus 3 I1 is this expression, yeah. 1,000, yeah, 1,000 times. That was the same thing. 500 I delta. Oh yeah, I delta. That's pretty much what I just calculated. I delta. Yeah, exactly. Okay. Yes, I need to combine these. Really, negative 4, geez, that's small. So, I'm just gonna do, well, there it is. Alright, negative 625. Oh shit, minus 4, minus 2,000. Minus 4,000, 3,000, minus 4,000. I'll do it here, negative 6,629. Wait, what does this equal? Equals 0. Alright. Yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, negative this. Let's add up all the high ones. 4 plus what? 4 plus. Where we at? Where we at? Where we at? Alright. 4 1500 plus 3000 4504 equals 0. I think this is correct. Okay. No. So our matrix is gonna look like this. Let's come over here. Let's move this over here. Come over here. Our matrix is going to look like this. All right. Let's see. I didn't like that 120. That was kind of trash. That was kind of bad. Okay, now 0. I ran out of room. Alright, anyways. I don't even know what I'm solving for. I2 equals. Yeah. I2 equals.
earning my interest. Yeah, have fun, I be murking these infants. Go the distance when I flex my fitness. You a witness, so flying like Nimbus. No assistance, elevate in an instant. Guess time's of the essence right now, huh? Get mine, look a lesson right now, huh? My shine is a blessing right now. Come and get it on down, I ain't stressing right now, huh? Guess time's of the essence right now, huh? Get mine, look a lesson right now. I ain't stressing right now, I ain't stressing right now, I ain't stressing right now, I ain't stressing right now. I follow in my footsteps, I say hello, 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 hello. You can't do what I do, that's just something you don't. Something you don't. I make this look easy from the way that I flow. On dimension, I be turning suckers to ghosts.
That's really small. Okay, really? 120 volts? Really? I guess we have pretty large resistor values, so perhaps that does make sense. Okay, so if that's the case, okay, what is I3? Let's see. I3, 3 I equals 3 I1 minus I2. It's still positive though. Wait, let's ask AI something, because I guess I'm not sure now. I'm not sure. Shit. When undergoing circuit analysis, if a current flows in the direction of a current-controlled current source, is the source said to generate or consume power. Current flows out of the positive terminal and in the direction of the arrow of a current-controlled current source. The source is said to generate supply power. The external circuit forces current flow in the source against its arrow direction. It may consume absorbed power. Well, those two are. I3 would be 3. That would be 3. Wait, let's see. Okay, so 3 I1 minus I2, 0.623. Okay, let's do this. Oh, calculator. Can you see that? Yeah. Alright, so 0.0623. Oh, it'd just be 0.2. 0.02. Let's confirm, right? Minus 0.0423, yeah. 3 times 0.02. I3 equals 0.06 amps.
I'm haunted by reality. I hope my real ones hold me down like gravity. I'm close to Thanos, start snapping and vanishing. Good side, bad side, both Jerry.
Wait, so I3 is more than I2.
Till they say it is. Bunch of puppeteers and ventriloquists. Please tell me what my opinion is. While I shoulder shrug and
Wait, oh yeah.
Sherlock Holmes couldn't find the plot.
Oh really? I3 is more.
They ain't even like Basquiat. Though Basquiat got the stamp of approval from
That's 0.02.
one day. This
3 times 0.02. 0.06. Shit, okay, so 3I phi. What about, that has nothing to do with it. I delta equals negative 0.06 minus 0.0423. That doesn't really change anything, right? That just confirms that direction. What the fuck? It confirms the direction, and the direction must be wrong because the answer key is telling me that it's the 2 voltage sources which generate power, not including the controlled current source. So 2 voltage sources, yeah. And if my current is I3 is positive, which it is, I'm flowing in that direction, and it just simply is I2, I3 minus I2. I3 is greater 3 times I1 minus I2. That's what I3 equals. Literally equals 3I phi, and this is what we come to. I phi equals I1 minus I2, doesn't it? I1 minus I2. That's it. 0.02. 3 times 0.02. I mean, that's just it. 6,000 minus 6,000 times 4,504 divided by 6,629. Oh, yeah, 120 divided by, yeah, that's what I got. Dang. Alright, maybe we're on the right path, but I am perhaps missing something that's negative, but that would mean that flows in that direction still. What am I not getting? I phi equals I1 minus I2. I2 is wrong. The direction of I2 is altered. The direction of I2 is not true. Therefore, I phi would be I1 plus I2. I2 really flows in this direction. I2 is really this way. All of it. Nah, it doesn't even make sense. This would be I2 only. You go that way. Nah, just this I3 being positive just simply doesn't make sense. It's like this negative here, but it's there, and I just did it all over. Negative 4,509 because it equals 0. minus 45 plus, no, because that's divided by I1. 6 to 9. Maybe I don't. Plus 120 minus 6,000. 120 minus 6,000. Wait, so let's just try this over here. So 120 minus 6,000 I1 divided by negative 6,000. I2 equals, and then 4504 I1 minus 6629 I2, which is 120 6,000 I1 divided by negative 6,000 equals 0. Okay, so 6629 times 120 divided by negative would be a positive 6,000. 4509 04 I1 minus would be plus 132.58 minus, what is that, 6,000, no, yeah, well, 6,000 divided by 6,000 would be 1, positive, negative, 6629 I1 equals 0, 4 minus 6629 negative 2125 I1 equals negative, whatever, plus 132.5, yeah. 32.58 divided by 2125. Oh, it's the same answer, brother.